The B-2 Spirit, also known as the stealth bomber, is one of the most advanced and mysterious strategic assets in the U.S. Air Force arsenal. Developed by Northrop Grumman, the B-2 is a symbol of modern military aviation technology and a prime example of the United States' long-range stealth strike capabilities. With its unique bat-like flying wing design, radar-evading stealth features, and destructive power, the B-2 has redefined the concept of strategic bombers in the modern era. The development of the B-2 began in the 1970s under the Advanced Technology Bomber (ATB) program, with the goal of creating a strategic bomber capable of stealth and penetrating dense enemy air defenses. The project was kept highly classified until the B-2 was officially unveiled in 1988. The first B-2 flew on July 17, 1989, and by 1989-1993, the aircraft entered service with the U.S. Air Force. Although over 100 units were originally planned, the high cost and the end of the Cold War led to the program being scaled back, with only 21 aircraft ultimately produced. The B-2 Spirit features a flying wing design, meaning the aircraft has no traditional fuselage or tail. This design minimizes radar cross-section, significantly enhancing the B-2's stealth capabilities. The entire aircraft is coated with radar-absorbing paint, reducing the chance of detection by conventional radar systems. Key specifications: length, 21 meters, 69 feet, wingspan, 52.4 meters, 172 feet, maximum takeoff weight, 170,600 kilograms, 376,000 pounds. Top speed, approximately 1,010 kilometers per hour, Mach 0.95, range without refueling, over 11,000 kilometers, 6,800 miles, range with aerial refueling, virtually unlimited service ceiling, 15,000 meters, 49,000 feet, crew, 2, pilot and mission commander. The B-2 is equipped with state-of-the-art sensors and navigation systems, including low-frequency radar, radar warning receivers, electronic countermeasure systems, and a variety of passive sensors. These systems enable the B-2 to operate effectively in contested environments with heavy electronic interference, ensuring it can complete its missions without being detected. Stealth is the B-2's defining feature, allowing it to remain virtually invisible. The aircraft is engineered to scatter radar waves and evade detection from long distances. Even advanced radar systems struggle to track a B-2 operating at high altitude. In both training exercises and actual combat missions, the B-2 has consistently demonstrated its ability to approach targets without being detected, significantly increasing mission success rates and minimizing the risk of enemy engagement. The B-2 Spirit can carry a wide variety of weapons, ranging from conventional bombs to nuclear payloads. Conventional bombs, GBU-31 JDAM, GPS-guided bombs, Mk-82 bunker buster bombs, GBU-57 MOP, massive ordnance penetrator, weighing over 13 tons and capable of penetrating several meters of reinforced concrete nuclear weapons. B-61 and B-83. The maximum weapons payload is up to 18,000 kilograms or 40,000 pounds, allowing the B-2 to carry out decisive strategic strike missions. Thanks to its long-range capability and in-flight refueling, the B-2 can take off from bases in the United States and strike targets anywhere in the world within just a few hours. This enables the U.S. to maintain global deterrence without relying on forward-deployed bases. Combat examples: Operation Allied Force, 1999, in Yugoslavia. This was the first time the B-2 was used in combat, conducting missions lasting over 30 hours from Missouri to Kosovo and back. Iraq War, 2003, and Afghanistan. The B-2 carried out precision strikes on high-value targets, destroying critical infrastructure. More recently, the B-2 has been used to strike ISIS and Taliban targets, proving that even after more than 30 years in service, it continues to deliver unmatched power and combat effectiveness. Advantages: 1. Superior stealth capability. What makes the B-2 truly stand out is its ability to evade radar and air defense systems. Even advanced systems like the S-300 or S-400 struggle to detect or track the B-2 from long distances, making it nearly invisible in contested airspace. 2. Global reach. The B-2 doesn't need to launch from bases near the battlefield. Thanks to in-flight refueling, it can complete missions from the United States and return in a single continuous flight. This provides strategic flexibility and rapid response capabilities. 3. Capable of carrying both nuclear and conventional weapons. The B-2 is one of the 3 pillars of the U.S. nuclear triad, along with intercontinental ballistic missiles, ICBMs, and nuclear-powered submarines. Its ability to deliver both conventional and nuclear payloads gives it versatility in both deterrence and active combat roles. 4. High precision, equipped with advanced navigation and targeting systems, the B-2 can accurately strike high-value targets without requiring support from ground forces or other aircraft. 5. Quiet operation and hard to track. In addition to radar stealth, the B-2's engines are designed to minimize noise and heat signatures. This makes it extremely difficult to detect, even with acoustic or infrared tracking methods. Disadvantages 1. Extremely high cost. A single B-2 Spirit costs up to $2.1 billion, including research and development, making it one of the most expensive aircraft ever built. Operational costs are also high, approximately $130,000 per flight hour, far more than other bomber types. 2. Complex maintenance. The B-2's stealth coating is highly sensitive to environmental conditions. After each mission, the aircraft requires detailed maintenance, including inspection and restoration of its radar-absorbing material. This process is time-consuming and demands highly skilled personnel. 3. Lower payload compared to B-52 or B-1B. Although the B-2 can carry powerful weapons, its overall payload capacity is lower than that of traditional bombers, like the B-52 Stratofortress or the B-1B Lancer. However, its stealth capabilities allow it to reach targets those aircraft cannot. 4th, limited fleet size. Only 20 B-2s remain in service, following a crash in 2008, which poses challenges for sustaining continuous operations. This limited number also increases the burden on personnel and logistics. 5. Subsonic speed. The B-2 flies below the speed of sound, limiting its ability to respond quickly to short-notice threats or certain tactical situations that require high-speed maneuvering. Even after more than 30 years in service, the B-2 Spirit remains one of the most important strategic assets of the United States. However, the U.S. Air Force has plans to gradually replace the B-2 with the B-21 Raider, a next-generation stealth bomber also developed by Northrop Grumman. The B-21 promises to address many of the B-2's drawbacks, particularly its high cost and complex maintenance requirements, while integrating modern technologies such as artificial intelligence and network-centric warfare capabilities. Still, the B-2 is expected to play a vital role in America's nuclear deterrence and precision strike strategy at least until 2030 to 2035. The B-2 Spirit is not only a symbol of U.S. air power, but also a testament to the perfect fusion of technology, strategy, and aerospace engineering. Despite its high cost and expensive operations, the B-2's stealth, precision, and global reach have proven it worthy of its nickname. The ghost in the sky, a silent threat to even the most advanced air defense systems. While the future is gradually shifting toward the B-21 Raider, the legacy and impact of the B-2 Spirit on the history of military aviation will undoubtedly echo for decades to come.